Guys, make sure to stand till the end. If not fixed on time, it will end up costing you a lot of money. It will be expensive repairs in the future, and it can make your car uncontrollable as well. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Super quick, very helpful video to any of you having a Chrysler 300, guys. It could be any year Chrysler 300 that you have. And if you guys have one of those, you want to know what are the symptoms of bad sway barring, how it can affect your vehicle, why it's important if you suspect you have a bad one to replace it on time, because otherwise, if it fails, it can, guys, cause you to lose control of your vehicle. You'll be very unstable. You may end up in an accident as well. We'll talk about that. If you guys need help with anything, drop a comment below in the comment section. We're here to save you as much money as we make, as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys, for you. All we need in return, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making them. Let's start on it now. So guys, now that will apply to multiple practically cars. Sway bar link. What is a sway bar link? Let's talk about that now, why it's very important and why they fail quite often on cars, guys, especially if you live in an area with bad roads, roads that have imperfections, potholes, uneven surface, guys. This is your suspension, this is the strut, right? The strut on the upper side, okay, you see that thing here, it's a sway bar link. That's the upper ball joint, that's the lower ball joint right there. Okay, I'm trying to focus here. Oh, give me a second. Okay, so now, guys, if you look at it, on the bottom side connects to the sway bar, on the top to the strut. And the sway bar is that big, fat, metal spring-loaded bar right here that connects the left and the right side of the vehicle. Now, without that thing, your car will be very unstable, especially going through potholes or going in a turn. Without the sway bar, the car will be uncontrollable, guys, at high speeds. So, sway bar will need to be there, okay, otherwise you may end up in an accident really fast. Guys, right here, that's a sway bar link. It just connects the sway bar to the suspension, to the strut usually. And it has two ball joints. Let us show you, okay, right here, what they have. That's the old one ball joint here, one there. And how they fail, they either wear out a lot, but the most common thing, the seal breaks, cracks, water, dust will get inside, and that will cause the ball joint to wear, and that wear will cause noise and rattle. Every time you go over bumps, potholes, uneven roads, you will hear a noise, rattle coming from the suspension because of that. Quite often, guys, okay, because of a failing sway bar link. We want to show you the new one, how tight it is. It's almost impossible to move it, guys, okay? That's how tight it is, and it should be. But the old ones, they will develop a play, and that play will result into noise, rattle over bumps. You will not have other symptoms. That play will usually not affect the sway bar. But guys, if it comes so loose that the ball joint comes off, okay, from the sway bar link, and we had that happen, the sway bar will be disconnected, and that's when your vehicle becomes very unstable, and the sway bar may move and hit the control arm and other suspension parts too. How often they fail? We had some that we had to replace at 30-40,000 miles, some at 80. These ones failed at 65, and we had some last over 200,000 miles on some vehicles, depending on what vehicle it is, how it's built, where you drive it, and all that stuff, guys. But don't ignore them, okay? They're super easy to replace. If you want to see how to replace sway bar link, we'll have the video on the channel that will teach you guys how to do that step by step, and we'll put the links in the description of the video below. You can see where you can get them from and where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So guys, if you have a Chrysler 300, those are the most common symptoms of bad sway bar link. If you need help with anything, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below, guys. If we have the resources and the time, we'll try to make video for your specific problem. Check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.